Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So to start, open Facebook, then search for the person's profile that you want to block. So open their profile. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap block from the options and tap block to confirm the action. Then that person will be blocked. Next, if you're using computer, you can go to the person's profile, click the three dots under their cover photo, then select block and click confirm. You can also block someone from settings, so click your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down to settings and privacy. Then select settings. Now in here, scroll down to audience and visibility and select blocking. Then click add to block list. Then type the name of the person that you want to block. So once you find it, click block beside their name and confirm by clicking block again, and that person will be blocked. So when you block someone, they won't be able to see your profile or posts. They can't message you or send you friend requests. If you are friends, they'll be unfriended automatically. Facebook does not notify them that you've blocked them. And that's it. Thank you for watching.